Long ago, in the powerful kingdom of Babylon, there was a mighty king named Nebuchadnezzar. He had conquered many lands and built a massive golden statue taller than a house. One day he made a law. Everyone must bow down and worship his statue. Anyone who refused would be thrown into a fiery furnace. These three men were not just ordinary people. They were faithful followers of the one true God. They served in the king's court, but they refused to worship anything or anyone but God alone. And when the king's order spread throughout the land, they knew they had a big decision to make. The moment of decision came. The music played, and the crowd bowed low. But Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, they stood tall. This made the king furious. He called them before him and gave them one last chance. If you bow now, I will spare you. But if you refuse, you will be thrown into the fiery furnace. What God can save you from my power? O king, we don't need to defend ourselves. The God we serve is able to save us. But even if he doesn't, we will never bow to your statue. Nebuchadnezzar was beyond furious. He ordered the furnace to be heated 7 times hotter than usual. The guards tied up Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego and threw them inside. But suddenly, something miraculous happened. The king's eyes widened in shock. He turned to his advisors. Didn't we throw 3 men in? Why do I see 4, and one looks like a son of the gods? Nebuchadnezzar couldn't believe his eyes. He had witnessed a miracle. He rushed forward and declared, "Praise be to the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. No other God can save like this." Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego stood firm in their faith, and God was with them, even in the fire. Their story reminds us that we don't have to be afraid when we stand for what is right. God is always with us, no matter what challenges we face. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.